Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be testing out the new Fenty Cheek Suede Powder Blush in all 8 colors. So if you're interested in seeing how this blush looks and how it performs, stay tuned. According to the website, it says that this blush is a high-performance powder blush that delivers an impactful but super blendable flush of color in a range of matte and shimmer shades for all skin tones. It also says that it's airy soft, waterproof, sweat resistant, and humidity resistant. Now the blushes are said to be long wearing, buildable, and great for all skin tones. Each of the blushes is 4 grams and the cost is $28 each. Here's a really quick look at the packaging. It's in a cute little cardboard box. There's the front, there is the back, and the colors are right there on the top of the packaging. And when we open it up, that's how it looks. Go ahead and pull that out. And it's inside of a little cardboard to keep it from getting broken. And you just lift that up and there is your blush. And here is what the little compact looks like. And that's the back. And then of course inside you have your blush and it has a little cover on it. Here are all 8 of the colors swatched for you. There are 6 mattes and 2 shimmers. Now let's go ahead and try these all on. The first color we have is called Petal Poppin, and this is a soft baby pink color. As I'm tapping here, there is a bit of fallout, but nothing excessive, and the color on this brush is crazy. As I'm applying this, it's going on really smoothly. The blushes have a really soft, smooth texture. Here's what it's looking like after the first application, but we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit more. Ooh, look at that color. These are definitely buildable, and this color payoff is fantastic. Here's what it's looking like after the second layer. Nice. Next up, we have the color Sundress Season, which is a peachy pink color. And here's what the color payoff looks like on the brush. This one here is a soft flush of color on my skin tone, and I'm definitely going to have to build this up to get the color payoff that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more. Oh yeah, this is definitely giving the color payoff with this second layer. This looks absolutely lovely and the blush feels so soft and nice. It applies really, really nicely. Here's what it looks like after the second application. Just gorgeous. Next up, we have the color Daiquiri Dip, which is a coral red color. Absolutely beautiful. Here's what she's looking like on the brush before we apply it. Wow, look at that color. And that is just the first application. This blush is absolutely beautiful. Here's what she's looking like after the first application. And of course, we're going to put on a little bit more. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that bold color payoff. Now that might be a bit much for every day. I might have to tone it down a little bit, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The next color we have here is called Lollipoppy. And Lollipoppy is a vibrant coral color. And here's what she is looking like on the brush. This color comes off really nicely. It is a really soft flush of color on my skin tone with just one application. It's absolutely lovely. This is very soft, but we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit more to see what we get. And when we put that on, look at her. Look at her really, really coming to life. I love this color. These blushes are absolutely fabulous. I haven't found one that I don't like yet. Next up, we have Summertime Wine, which is a rich berry color. This is actually the color that prompted me to buy these blushes. Here's what it looks like on the brush. And look at that color. That's just one application. It's coming off really, really nicely. I love this. Here's what it looks like with just one application. And of course, you know, I have to add a little bit more. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is a bit bright. I would probably have to tone that down if I wore that out, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The next color we have is called Bakin Cakes, which is a soft rosy taupe color. Here's what she looks like on the brush. Now I will say this is the color I was most concerned about, as it is pretty light. It's almost my complexion, and as you can see, I really have to build this up to get some color payoff. Once I do, it's a really nice soft flush of color, but probably not one I would reach for on a daily basis because it does take so much build up. But if your skin tone is lighter than mine, this would probably work really, really well for you. The next color we have here is called Wattabratt, and it's a shimmering baby pink color. It is one of the 2 shimmers in the collection. Here's what it looks like on the brush. And it is given a bit of payoff, even though very subtle with this first application. Here's what it looks like as we're adding more. The color payoff is definitely a bit more, and you can see the shimmer in this. I don't know, I almost think I would prefer this almost as a highlight for me, but it's a very pretty color. And last but not least, we have this stunning purple color, which is called Drama Clas, and it's a shimmering soft violet. Here's what it looks like on the brush. Wow. As soon as we start applying it, you see the color payoff. This purple is gorgeous, and I love the way it looks against my skin tone. Here's what the first layer is giving. Of course, we're going to go ahead and apply a little bit more. Oh, wow. Maybe I shouldn't have. This is a bit much, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this color, and I think it'll work well on so many different skin tones. Well, that wraps up our try-on. I hope this video was helpful to you in determining whether or not you'll be purchasing this blush, and if so, what colors will work best for you. If so, let me know down in the comments below which colors you'll be picking up for yourself. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of day. Until next time, take care. Bye.